welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to make a program which will ask you basic math questions. For example, 2 plus 5, 15 minus 7, 4 into 2 and 10 divided by 2. So let's start now. First, you need to log in to your code.org account. Then go to create. There will be a Play Lab option. If you click on this, a similar workspace will be in front of you. Now, you have to go to actions, then set background. You can choose any background. I am choosing hardcore background. Then go to games and score, set set score to 0. Then again go to actions, set actor 1 to a night image. I have chosen night. You can choose any image. Then go to again actions. Then move move actor 1 to 200 over 200 down. You can uh, replace it to move actor 1 to 100 over 300 down. Now go to variables. There will be first go to variables. There will be this option set I to. You take this one like this, rename this, rename this variable and take it to n1. N1 means number 1. Now create 3 of these and now go to math, random integer from 1 to 100. We are doing this for multiplication first. Then you should choose 2 to 9, random integer 2 to 9. Again copy this and again go to math. There will be is dash plus dash. Take that and do n1 into n2 as we are doing for multiplication. Then go to actions and after 1 say after 1 say this we will take and then go to actions, take the join block and put it here. Then we will take another join block and put it in the second column of the first join block. Then we will again take a join block and put it in the second column of the second join block. Then we will go to variables, take the n1 and n1 and n2 and then go to games. There will be this option. You take it and then put it here and then delete the backcode. Now take two of them here, then write in one what is and leave some space in the front and in the back. What is n1 multiplied by n2? Show this for 3 seconds as mental math questions are for 3 seconds should be answered. Now again go to actions, then ask block, enter your answer to set answer. Then go to logic, take the if block and again go to games and score and take this block. If score is equal to 5, then remove the score from that and take the variable answer. Then put is equal to in this and then in the second box take a1. Then show title screen. Oops, excellent, you are right. Play win point sound. Now copy this, just change the whole thing. Answer is not equal to A1. Show title screen. Oops, you are wrong. Try again and remove a point. Then play loose sound. So I have made this for multiplication. You can just copy this and make it for subtraction, addition, and division too. So in subtraction, the numbers will be 20 and 50 in the first one, and now like we can't do 29 minus 38, so the numbers in the second box will be a little smaller. So the number in first box will be 20 to 50, and the number in second box will be 2 to 19. And then in addition, now addition is very simple, so there will be bigger numbers: 1 to 100 and 1 to 150. Then in division, there should be small numbers. For example, 2 to 9 and 2 to 5. So we'll change this 2 to 9 from 5 to 9, and this will be 2 to 4. 2 to 4. So this will be for division. Now I'll show you how this will work. If you click on run, as you can see, it is showing 4 multiplied by 4. So the answer is 16. We simply type 16 and here. Excellent, you are right. Now, what is 32 minus 6? 32 minus 6. 32 minus 6 is 20. Now I will write a wrong answer. Submit. Oh, it was right, sorry. 42 added to 41. Now I will write the wrong answer. As you can see, it is showing. Oops, you are wrong. Try again. What is 42 divided by 41? So 42 divided by 41 is 0. Oops, you are wrong. Divided by. How come this became 42? Okay, so this is another thing. If you don't want division, you can remove division, as there is some error in code.org that the division is not working. So that is it for today, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching Programming Perkers. And if you like the content, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends and family.